Hello and welcome to Veggie Patch Ideas. Today it's all about the allotment and we're going to give you a full plot tour, what's going on, when it's going in the ground and what you need to do. So hold tight, it's going to be a good one. So let's take a look. Here's leaving the old plot and onto the new. The turf has been sown, so there is new grass growing, and this is the long bed, so we're going for more of a traditional approach to allotmenting on this very long bed. On the other side we have our dahlia beds gone in, and on the end this will be a overflow bed, so probably sweet corn, something of that nature, probably potatoes, followed with a border all around of raspberries, raspberry canes all the way around the perimeter. And that should look fantastic, should give us a really good harvest. So this is the new plot. Moving down, and you're wondering what that black thing is. Well, that's the next project and I'll video it, so you know you won't miss out what it is. The mother of all compost heaps. This is going to be amazing. I can't wait for you guys to see it when it's done. We have a lovely little seating area over here next to the apple trees, and on the table more seedlings, as you'd imagine. We've got onions, spring onions and radish. Moving on into the greenhouse. Look at that pak choi, absolutely fantastic. This is ready for harvest now, so absolutely perfect. And I've won the pak choi battle. In here we've got courgettes cooking away, tomato super steak, more tomato, tray of sweet corn, doing a cheeky melon in the background, some dwarf dahlias, more tomatoes, dahlias, sprouts are in here, and a load of cayenne chili peppers, and of course our little gooseberries just propagated nicely. Moving on into the polytunnel. It's all going on in here, and we've got far too many seedlings, which today we're going to try and get out into the ground. So we've got our black kale, our broccoli, which is already out, which I'll show you in a moment, sugar snap. These might be around 12 inches tall, but they're not ready yet. I'm going to wait a bit longer. Tomatoes, just absolutely seedlings for everything. So we're in a really good position. Everything is at the stage we kind of want it, so that's good news. Got some sunflowers and some dahlias cooking away nicely. Moving on under the tunnel, this is our freshly planted bed. So we've got lettuce, some beautiful ruby streak mustard, more lettuce, and then going on into spinach. Bed of bright lights chard, which is coming to the end, but it's still looking really good harvesting. A carrot bed with a bit of pak choi hidden in the sides, which is always good. And then moving down, we've got our beetroot, which is just for the leaf harvest, spring onions, and this has just been watered. See how far this has come in just a week. So we've got kala kimchi, which, if you don't know, it's this one here. It's like a Chinese broccoli, but you have it for the leaves. It's absolutely fantastic. Then the ruby streak mustard, Pak choy, look at it go. It's loving it. And I'm not complaining. I've won the war. I've won the war on pak choy. We have then some lovely moon red lettuce, more pak choy, lettuces, killer kimchi, and these things here, we can get one. These are the greyhound cabbage. And then moving up onto our blueberries. Absolutely fantastic. And then onto the strawberries. These are all coming into fruit now, so it means it's time to switch to the fertiliser, the high potassium tomato feed, and we'll start to enjoy these very soon indeed. Moving outside, we've got our canes up. The beans that are going in here, they're not quite ready yet, so another week and then they'll be in. This bed's just been planted up, and this is a broccoli bed. If you can see, they're doing nicely. Just gone in. The first lot went in last week. Haven't been attacked by a slug, so I'm confident of putting the rest in. Moving on to the onion bed with the garlic in the back. It's all looking really, really good. It's where exactly we want it. This bed here, this will be the kale bed, which will go in today or tomorrow. Then we have the small bed at the back. I need to dig this one over, but it has rhubarb in there, and this is where the sugar snap peas will go, up against this trellis. Gooseberry bush, and then we've got our black currants over there and a rosemary on the end. And then, as if I haven't got enough, some raspberries coming through, so absolutely perfect. Moving on, we've got our potato bed. So we've got some onions in the side, and then if you ignore the couple of roses which have just been healed in there, they're coming out, and then this will be potatoes. It's been so wet, it's only just this week I can manage to get the second early potatoes in this bed. Moving on to my hoop tunnel. This will be replanted this week. May create a second hoop tunnel in this bed, I'm not sure yet. And then the leeks, these will need harvesting this week. So busy week, and this is the asparagus bed. It's not showing any signs yet, but it's still early, we're still good to go. Spare bed there, which for here I may do some kind of sheltered bedding for these four. I haven't quite worked this out yet, but that's what will be happening, and we'll follow the steps around, and then we're back into the new plot again. So guys, before you go scrolling away, a very, very big thank you if you are following the channel, and if you're not, why not? Please subscribe. It's going to make your harvest and your life a hell of a lot easier with simple tricks and tips to follow. I've been gardening for 30 years. My name's Glenn, and I run this allotment site here of 80 plots, so I pick up a thing or two. So with that all being said, we'll see you on the next video.